it's Cryptonardo, and today I will be introducing you a very amazing project called iZOBi, an app which creates a marketplace for freelance service providers, customers and buyers. So here we have the app of iZOBi that helps us managing our service providers. We have some of the screenshots in here. As we can see, some of it is still under development. We have a secret app idea coming in different colors, and these are the colors also we can see on top. So as we can see, more is coming in the iZOBi ecosystem. But looking at the website, we have the tabs on the top like About Us, Token, Apps, and in apps we have the Handyman app, which we'll talk about later, and the Wallet app. We have the blog, FAQ, contact, and language. We can choose between British and Lithuanian. You can also get the app straight away in here, but we can go further. The iZOBi Handyman and iZOBi Wallet apps, along with other apps, will soon be available on iOS and Android devices. So you can enter your email here and they will let you know personally when the iOS and Android apps are available for download in the UK, giving you access to a whole new world of convenience and 24/7 support. We can see the partners are CS Soft Solutions. We have some of the news from the app and also a little contact tab. So if you have any more questions, you can just enter your name, email and your message. But we can go to About Us to learn more about iZOBi. So what is iZOBi? Is a system that relies on blockchain technology to create a all-in-one solution for various home service needed. Using a local iZOBi token, it bridges the gap between cryptocurrencies and their use in everyday life. We have developed several different apps that will help you to perform the tasks that you need to do, or simply act as an interface between storing cryptocurrency and making payments for everyday home services. iZOBi has innovative and sophisticated features that make the platform easy to use. It's clearly facilitates the management of daily activities. We also have the ecosystem. The iZOBi ecosystem also acts as a bridge to the crypto community. iZOBi is an evolving ecosystem based on blockchain technology specifically designed to enable end users to purchase services or interact with service providers in a seamless and secure way, with the help of cryptocurrency and its way of minimizing the transaction costs. The iZOBi ecosystem is managed by the iZOBi tokens. The use of the iZOBi technology and ecosystem is open source and freely available and visible to everyone. Finally, iZOBi's solutions to existing problems. So traditional business is difficult to manage because traditional payment systems are too slow. It can also be difficult to find quality services, but we have a solution. Through innovation, iZOBi makes it easier to run a service business. There are many other websites all with different specific conditions which make it difficult for consumers to use them. Therefore, iZOBi has developed a solution that makes it easy and simple to use universal apps which runs on different operating systems to access the necessary handyman service at home and make payments quickly, efficiently and affordably. Going further into the token, we can learn a bit more about it. The iZOBi ecosystem is controlled by the iZOBi token. The use of this iZOBi technology and ecosystem is open source and freely available to everyone. This is really nice because it means that anyone can take advantage of modern technology and take it to the next level by adapting its use to their everyday activities. This is what makes the iZOBi ecosystem unique and what will improve the quality of the service provided by the handyman in the future. So we have the token name in here, it's iZOBi. The token type is BEP20 on the Binance Smart Chain. Total token supply is 5 billion. Tokens for public sale is 58%. Token price in euro for one iZOBi is between 0.05 and 1 euro, and the ticker is iZOBi. We also have the contact address in here, and we can go straight to the apps. We can click the iZOBi Handyman app to check it out. So with iZOBi, you don't have to start from scratch. All you have to do is select what matches your professional profile as a service provider and wait for customers' orders. It is quick, easy, and guarantees a successful cooperation. The app looks really neat, well organized. It also has a little map to see how far you are from the service provider. Enhanced experience for the clients, so you no longer have to seek out for clients manually. As soon as you're ready to work, create your profile on the iZOBi app and you'll immediately start receiving job offers based on your existing skill set. There is the Retina display. The system allows the app to look amazing on Retina display, enable devices and ensure a clear and sharp image throughout the whole process. And there's a responsive design, so the app is designed for a wide range of mobile devices and easily adapts to any screen size. We are currently on iZOBi.com, but if we go to iZOBi.io, we will have another website that we can go through to learn a bit more. So let's get straight into it. As we can see on the website, on the top, we have all the important tabs: About Us, Tokens, Roadmap, Apps, Teams, FAQs, Contact. We also have the Sign Up button and the Login button. Looking here, we can see that the ICO1 sale ends in 10 days and 8 hours, and the total raised amount so far is 193,612 euros, where the token price for one iZOBi is 0.25 euro, and we accept BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin and Euro. Register and buy token now in here. However, the minimum purchase price amount is 500 iZOBi. So, the iZOBi Handyman app, a unique marketplace connecting freelance service providers with homeowners and other service users. Here we have how it works. We can click here to watch a YouTube video. We have the white paper here and the light paper in here. Looking further about us, so the iZOBi app works like an Uber app where the customers will be able to search and get connected to a service provider. iZOBi has a great feature that make our platform easy and useful for making our daily activities possible. The iZOBi app will be working on two phases, which are the customer app and the service providers app. iZOBi app has fixed 2 hourly rates, which are very uncommon on other platforms. Customers will need to choose from two prices between 15 and 20 euros for 1 hour service and allow service providers to accept the work. To book a handyman, it will just take less than 1 minute. About the iZOBi token, which is built using the Binance Smart Chain based BEP20 protocol and will serve as the primary currency for all the payments and transactions executed on the iZOBi platform. The iZOBi ecosystem, so the iZOBi is creating and evolving a blockchain-powered ecosystem for home service on-demand platforms. The ecosystem will enable end users to hire and engage service providers in a seamless, safe, secure manner with minimal transaction costs. iZOBi ecosystem will be and controlled by iZOBi token. Utilization of iZOBi technology and ecosystem will be open source and free for all home service on-demand platforms. Problems and iZOBi solutions. So it is difficult to ensure a job success and user safety. Imagine that a user engaged in a service provider to paint the walls. He executed the job poorly and then demands full payment. The user has to enter into a difficult conversation or he merely concedes and pay the requested fee. The process to locate an appropriate specialist or handyman can be time-consuming and confusing due to an overwhelming variety of websites, apps, listings, terms and conditions. Lack of industry leaders, biggest companies just less than 10% of the market, and worldwide standards. The blockchain technology. So with blockchain, we can imagine a world in which contracts are embedded in the digital code and stored in transparent shared databases where they are protected from deletion, tampering, and revision. In this world, every agreement, every process, every task, and every payment would have a digital record and signature that could be identified, validated, stored, and shared. Intermediates like lawyers, brokers, and bankers might no longer be necessary. Individuals, organization machines, and algorithms would freely transact and interact with one another with little friction. This is the immense potential of blockchain. Below here we have the tokens. So the ICO1 sale ends in 10 days and 8 hours. The token name is iZOBi. The token type is BEP20, the Binance Smart Chain. Total supply is 5 billion, where 3 of which will be burned soon. The token for public sale is 58%. Token price in euro, so one iZOBi is between 0.05 and 1 euro. Ticker is iZOBi. We also have the contract address in here. We can have a look at the token distribution pre-ICO and ICO proceed allocation. So marketing and promotion app is 56%. Business development is 8%. Legal and regulation is less than 5%. Operational and administrational 11%. Development app is less than 5%. Bounty and overhead is 6%. Gift code inventory is less than 5%. And exchange listing is 10%. We have the roadmap in here, so we can scroll back to the beginning to see the history of the project. There we go. So in Q3 of 2018, create first apps role minimum, viable product. In Q1 of 2019, identifying market needs, interacting based on user feedback, conceptualizing the product. So as we can see, it started already back in 2018, very impressive. Building the product roadmap and visualized product proof of concept was made in Q3 of 2019. In Q3 of 2020, creating white paper and website ICO. Then we have the Q2 of 2021, so not too long ago, starting pre-ICO1, starting developing a minimum viable product, starting pre-ICO2. In Q3 of 2021, starting pre-ICO3, developing website, starting ICO Pool 1. And then in Q4, what we're going to have is starting ICO Pool 2, starting ICO Pool 3, token launching exchange platforms, start on the 10th of December 2022, first version minimum market product, marketing first city app in Kaunas. So that's already sounds really exciting. Q1 of 2022, marketing apps in other cities of Lithuania, integration payback bonus features for self-employed people. And then in Q2 of 2022, app marketing city in London. In Q3 2022, in other cities in UK, creating wallet app and bank cards. In Q4 of 2022, app marketing in Germany. And then it just starts spreading all over the Europe. So Q1 of 2023 is Spain and Italy. Q2 of 2023 is Poland and France. You can see that Q3 2023 is Russia and the Netherlands. Q4 of 2023 is Turkey and Norway. Q1 of 2024 we will have Finland and Ukraine starting the marketing app. In Q2 of 2024 we will have Sweden and Austria. Q3 of 2024 we will have Denmark and Ireland. Coming soon later in Q4 2024 we will have Emirates and Slovakia, so it already expand over Europe. And Q1 of 2025 it will be making its way to Canada, and more is to come as well. The roadmap is yet to be fully updated. Handyman app, so once you've entered into our ecosystem you can manage everything. Anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection can participate in global marketplace. So it is not necessary to write down the tasks that need to be performed because it's already described. The customer simply checks the box for the service to perform the required work. To book a handyman, it will just take less than 1 minute, and pay with the credit card or debit card for services or with the iZOBi tokens. The payment is done after the job. Bonus for self-employment pay in tokens, more than 10 services to provide, and service available 24/7 when and where they are needed. Here we have a screenshot of the app, looking really neat. The leadership team is shown in here. They look like passionate about the job and they look like they know what they are doing. frequently asked questions. Below we've provided a bit of ICO token, cryptocurrencies, and a few other. If you have any other questions, please get in touch using the contact form below. As we can see, it's really nicely split. If we have any questions, we can find everything about it on the site. There's a really nice contact us table in here. You can put your name, your email, and the message you want to put. You can also call them on the phone, send them an email, contact them on Telegram. So they say we are always open and we welcome any questions you have for our team. If you wish to get in touch, please fill out the form below. Someone from our team will get back to you shortly. So this is really nice. They have allowed this, that it's on the site. That's all for today. I hope you've liked iZOBi as much as I did. Honestly, I think it's a wonderful project. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and a comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time.